food truck here in Longwood in 434. Name is Filipino Hut. They are open every Thursday until Saturday from 3:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. I guess. Okay, and for May special is the pork adobo tacos, and it's only $12. And here's my husband ordering his tacos, and there's me trying to see what they got. Now, selfie, of course. Sarap at the back. Peace. Here we go. I got my food, and since they got a small side for you to eat, and we decided to just drive home because it's too hot, but I'm so starving. That's why there you go. Take a bite of some lumpia. And yummy. Yep, we're gonna go drive home so that we can eat. Here you go. Here's my husband's food, adobo tacos with chips and salsa. And here's mine, adobo with rice, pancit, and everything. I'm going to try the lumpia. Keep it on a sweet and sour. First bite. It's a chicken. Some pancit for some pork adobo and some side of laing, which is my favorite. Yep, and now my husband's asking me something. He's asking me if how's my food. Yeah, laing is my favorite. There you go. Okay, eat more. One for Tony. Pancit and rice. Said it's good. Now I'm gonna try his food. Yeah, adobo, tacos, the salsa. I love salsa so much. There we go. We'll put some salsa on the tacos. That's what makes it really good. Some on top, a little bit more. That's it, guys. Tastes real good. There you go. Eat more. Yep, one more. And I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to follow me on my page and my Facebook account. Again, thank you.